Hello, my dear students. Today our topic of discussion is important terms related to lens from chapter Light class 10 Science. There are 6 important terms related to lens. They are number 1 center of curvature, number 2 optical center, number 3 principal axis, number 4 focus, number 5 focal length, and number 6 radius of curvature. Number 1. Center of curvature. The center of the spheres from which a lens is made is called center of curvature. In the figure, the dot lines represent the sphere and 2F here is the center of spheres, which is called the center of curvature of the lens, both in the convex and concave lens. Center of curvature is represented by C or 2F. Number 2. Optical center. The central point of the lens is called optical center. It is a point in the lens where a ray of light when passes through does not deviate. In the figure, the ray of light is passing through the optical center here in both the lens. Optical center is represented by O. Number 3. Principal axis. The straight line which passes through two center of curvature and the optical center is called principal axis. In the given figure, this straight line in the convex lens and the straight line in the concave lens represent the principal axis. Principal axis is represented by xy in the given figure. Number 4. Focus. A point on principal axis at which parallel beam of incident light meet or appear to meet after refraction through lens is called focus or principal focus. In the given figure, this point is called focus in the convex lens and this is the point called focus in the concave lens. Focus is represented by capital letter F. Number 5. Focal length. The distance between focus and optical center of a lens is called focal length. In this figure, this is the focus, this one is optical center, and the distance between them is called focal length. Focal length is represented by small letter f. Number 6. Radius of curvature. The distance between optical center and center of curvature of a lens is called radius of curvature. In the given figure, distance between 2F and O is radius of curvature. 2F means center of curvature and O means optical center. Radius of curvature is represented by capital letter R or 2F. Radius of curvature is 2 times focal length, that is capital R is equal to 2F. SI unit of focal length and radius of curvature is meter, denoted by small letter m. Focal length of convex lens is regarded as positive and that of concave lens is regarded as negative. In our next video, we will discuss about rules of drawing ray diagram. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and press notification button to get more videos like this at first.